Meaning of denial.
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 Denial. Denial is the act of refusing to acknowledge or accept something that is true or real. It is a defense mechanism used by individuals to cope with uncomfortable or painful situations. When someone is in denial, they may ignore evidence, rationalize behaviors, or make excuses to avoid facing the truth. The result of denial can include prolonged emotional distress, damaged relationships, and hindered personal growth. By failing to confront reality, individuals may miss opportunities for healing, learning, and self-improvement. It is important to recognize when denial is present and work towards acceptance to move forward.